You can enjoy grilled meals year-round with this Hampton Beach professional cast iron electric grill. I have owned this one for over a year now, and I have used it a lot to cook my meat on it. The custom cutting board does not come with the grill. It's ideal for indoor cooking, so regardless of the weather, you can get your meals cooked. It has a removable cast iron cooktop with a drip tray, so you don't have to worry about that excessive grease buildup. You can adjust the temperatures from warm all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to maintain the non-stick properties of your grill, you can occasionally season the cast iron by applying the thin layer of vegetable oil or fat of your choice and heating it on low for a few minutes. And this will help protect the surface and prevent rust, so you can get years of service from it.